Hey guys, okay, so my roommate got a new bird, a pet. She got a parakeet, and we only had it a few days, and I'm here alone with the bird, and the bird just flew out the cage, and I don't know what to do, and it's just like flying around. Look, the bird name is Kira. Oh shit! Oh fuck! She's on the bed and she's on my phone. Come here, Kira. I'm so not a bird person. I think somebody needs to come get this bird. I don't want to grab it. Oh my god. Do y'all hear her chirping? She's loud as shit. Pretty bird. Come here, Kira. Yo, I swear, if this bird pecks me, it's a wrap. It's a fucking wrap. Come here. I had to be alone when this happened. I just had to. It's just my luck. I don't do birds, man. I really don't. They're cool when they're in a cage. Don't just look at me. Come here. I got bird seed in my hand. I'm trying to, like, lure her over here so I can grab her and stick her back in the cage. This is a lot of work. I don't know what to do. I feel like I'm a little depressed about this right now. She's under my spot on the bed, like, damn. I can't even text my roommate because she's, like, sitting on my phone. She needs to come home and get her bird. Ow. Come here. Come here, Kira. Kira, you're killing me, man. Pretty bird. Come here. Pretty bird. Yeah, I swear if this bird pecks me. Okay, so I put the bird seeds on the bed and like a trail. So I'm hoping she takes the bait and she'll eat the bird seed and then I can like snatch her and stick her back in her cage before she pecks me to death. And matter of fact, I need to find a glove because if she pecks me, I'm gonna punch her in the face. I punch a bird. So now we sit here and we wait. Y'all wanna see this bird? She's crazy. It's a crazy ass bird. Come here, Kira. I think I should like just throw the sheet over her head and just like fucking throw her in the cage. Damn it, why couldn't we just have a dog? Alright guys, I think this might be the best option. I'm gonna have to grab her. Let me get a towel. Something soft. Come here. The damn bird doesn't want to eat the seeds. Can't get my phone. Come here. I don't think this bird likes me very much. I think it's because I'm black. shit! Fuck! Do you see this bird, man? This is unreal. I don't have as much experience with birds. I don't. I don't know what to do. But at least I can get to my phone now. Come here, Kira. Damn it, I need a fucking glove. Alright, y'all, it's about to get real crazy in here. I'm about to go get some gloves and get this motherfucking bird and put her back in the cage. I'll update y'all when or if I catch the bird.